Welcome to our educational video series on the neuroscience of the brain. Today, we are going to dive deep into one of the most fascinating and complex parts of the human mind. The neural network. Think of your brain as a vast, interconnected network of neurons, a complex web of connections between different cells that are responsible for processing information and making decisions. Every second, your brain is constantly generating new memories, learning new things, and making decisions based on past experiences. So how exactly does the neural network work? Let's break it down into its main components. 1. Neuron. A basic cell that contains a tiny ball of material, called an axon. It sends electrical signals towards other neurons or towards the synapse where it joins up with another neuron. Another essential component in the neural network is the dendrite, which is responsible for receiving input from other neurons and sending signals towards the synapse. The connections between neurons, or synapses, are key to learning and decision making. Every time you make a new memory or experience, your brain creates a synapse between two neurons. Now let's look at some of the most fascinating features of the neural network. Memories are incredibly durable in the brain, especially if they involve certain stimuli. For example, the sight of a red car may create a long-lasting memory because it's associated with a lot of positive information about cars in general. This is known as top-down processing. Top-down processes are also important for learning new things or acquiring new skills. When we learn a new skill like how to ride a bike or play guitar, our brain is constantly monitoring and updating information about the task at hand. Another thing that the brain does really well is emotion regulation. This involves the ability to manage emotions in a way that's healthy and beneficial for us. It can be challenging, but research shows that when we learn how to regulate our emotions, it can improve relationships with others and even lead to new experiences. All in all, the neural network is incredibly complex, but it's also incredibly adaptable. It's constantly changing and evolving based on what information we bring into our brain.